why I'm waking up today. Do I want to just waste my time? Do I want to party? There is nothing wrong with the life that you live in. Is that exactly what you want to do? But within 5 years, don't wonder why I'm here, why I'm not better, why I have bad luck. Because it's not bad luck. It's the decisions that you're making right now that is not helping you get to your goal. So think about that. Think about the reasons why you're waking up, and in 5 years where you want to see yourself. So you don't blame anybody else. Don't blame your parents. Don't blame the government. Don't blame the city. Don't blame your economy. Don't blame the money. Don't blame anything, because everybody, including Steve Jobs, including Abraham Lincoln, including most people that are very successful, they were broke in the beginning. They had no money. So these people, they started from the bottom. One of the things that these people have in common, the very successful people, is they take responsibility of their life.